Hello there. I'm sorry I didn't think to actually videotape taking this guy out of the box, but I did think of it later and said, oh, I should just do a quick video of the assembly. So this is the garden cart, and we have just a few little flower beds, vegetable beds here in the backyard, and it seemed like this would be a handy item for moving dirt and topsoil around, mulch, that sort of thing. So let's look at the assembly steps. Here are the parts, not too many. It's not that complicated. I did this, from start to finish in about 45 minutes, just sitting here on the lawn. Little 2-page instruction thing there. Everything's laid out nicely in these little vacuum packs, so it's easy to tell which bolts and nuts go into what section. I found this first section, you're getting the I guess the rear legs in place was really the hardest part, and it was just because it's big and awkward to work with, but it wasn't too bad. You'll need a wrench, of course, to tighten these locking nuts down. All right, maybe. Oh, this is my dog, Frankie. He decided to come out and visit me.
Hey, Frankie. How you doing, buddy? Hey, good boy, huh? Hey, good boy. Boy, you good boy. Boy, you go. You help me, huh? Hey, you help me put this together.
Yeah, that's Frankie. He's the star of any show. So maybe I'll just speed through some of this here. Basically, you just get the front and the rear axles and the locking mechanism in, get the wheels on, and you're good to go. This is the front locking mechanism. Just you pull on that little handle and it will release. As I later discovered, you just pull that handle to release the dump. Yeah, a little fast forward here. Da 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 da. Get the bolts, nuts locked in. Turn it around. Yeah, see, that's the way that's the way the dump works. Always just check to read the instructions. A little more fast forward, move along through this section. It was a nice day here in Louisiana. Hard to believe it's January. The wheels go on with just, they go on the axle, and then there's a flat washer and a cotter pin. And I tell you, that's not very secure, but I guess it's good enough for a lawn cart. I didn't really use my aviation bends on those cotter pins, but it's okay. 3. Suppose up there putting a pin in. Flat washer, there's the pin. And I just gave it the little quick turn. You'll need some sort of pliers or needle nose pliers like that. Yeah, let's turn this guy up. Just need to get the handle on now. That handle, it's you can pull it by hand, but it will also turn around, and you can hook it to your little lawn tractor if you have a lawn tractor. I'm gonna have to get one of those. Anyway, so there's the handle that's in there now. tools. Yeah, there's the. Yep. So there's raise and lower. Just doing this for the camera. And if you're thinking about buying one, this is what it would look like and how it would maneuver. There you go. Thank you for watching, and sure to like and subscribe. Later.